YCQD7 series integrated star-delta starter. Integrated design replaces traditional star-delta wiring, simplifying installation, saving space, and making setup easier. With precise PCB programming control, it offers multiple protection features. The smart model comes with a display screen, making operation and maintenance easier than ever. Available in various models from 50A to 265A to suit different applications. During startup, the motor operates in star connection. At this stage, the starting current is low, reducing the impact on the power grid. Once the preset switching time is reached, automatically switches to delta connection, allowing the motor windings to receive full line voltage and deliver rated power output. An optional universal auxiliary module can be added for signal control, alarm notifications, and more. Wiring is simple. The control circuit only requires a 220V AC supply to the L and N terminals. No additional control wiring is needed. The smart model of YCQD7 comes with an RS-485 communication port and can also be customized with different communication interfaces based on customer requirements.